3 years ago, we launched our game-changing nonstick pan right here on Kickstarter. Featuring an innovative coating system with long-lasting release, it performs better than expensive pans at a fraction of the price. We're always looking to improve our products. And so when we asked you what we could do to improve our nonstick cookware, you told us that you simply wanted more of it than just one pan. Well, we listened to you. And today we're so excited to introduce our new Essentials nonstick cookware sets. An entire line of new nonstick cookware for absolutely anything you want to cook. Featuring 13 essential new pieces that are durable, beautiful, and long-lasting, and with all the smart design features we're known for. But before we get into our new products, let's talk about what's not changing, our incredible nonstick surface. We start with a thick aluminum core and apply a plasma primer followed by 3 coats of our top-of-the-line and PFOA-free nonstick coating. The result? A pan that's able to outlast and outperform the competition. We tested our pan against traditional nonstick pans, ceramic pans, even expensive luxury nonstick pans. The MISEN pan outperformed them all. We gave our new pans the same fine-tuned features as on our stainless steel cookware, like rounded walls on our sauciers for easier stirring, to larger cooking surfaces with more area for better searing, and tapered, closed rims for easier pouring. And we made them compatible with all cooktops, including induction. Then we added a few updates. We upgraded our old silicone handle to an ultra-comfortable Stay Cool one that's made out of stainless steel. And to ensure that your pans stay looking new, we added a stain-resistant ceramic exterior that's incredibly easy to clean. From simple meals like scrambled eggs or omelets, to slow-cooked braises and quick sears, our new nonstick cookware can handle any type of cooking you throw at it. And since all of us cook differently, we created 3 different sets to accommodate any type of kitchen, from those of you outfitting your first apartment to seasoned dinner party hosts. All in all, we've pushed the envelope even further with our nonstick cookware, and we're so excited to share it with you. But first, we need your help. Your pledge will help make MISEN nonstick cookware a reality. So from all of us at MISEN, thank you, and happy cooking.